temperatures so far? Yeah, we saw it grow rapidly overnight Thursday into Friday when the winds were strongest, 50 to 60 mile per hour winds. And a Santa Ana wind for California is basically an offshore wind. It comes in from the north and east. So it's a drying wind, it's a compressing wind. You see the temperatures heat up as well. And because it is dry, that really allowed some of this vegetation to spark fire and get going pretty quickly, especially with the winds. So we've got 20 active U.S. fires, each one of these symbols representing a fire that's greater than 100 acres. And as we focus in on the Saddle Ridge fire, it is about 13% contained. That is some improvement. This time yesterday, 0% contained. So they are getting around this fire a little bit anyway. The acres burned, as I mentioned, more than 7,000 now to 7,500 acres. So the winds are going to be a little bit calmer in the morning, but typically they do pick up later in the day when you get more mixing of the atmosphere. You get more in the way of sunshine. Relative humidity is also going to continue to be very low, except for the immediate coastal sections of the Golden State of California. But as we take a look at the power outage tracker, 15,591 customers without power, especially where you see these highlighted counties in the yellow. And of course, PG&E had to shut off the power on purpose before the fire started because they were worried about some of the power lines coming down, and that could spark a fire. So we're a little bit higher in terms of relative humidity, as I mentioned, just along the immediate coastline, but you make your way inland, and that's where you have the drier air, the lower relative humidity. The good news is things will be improving as we go through the rest of this
41
weekend.
degrees here in Bemis, Tennessee, as of right now.
Especially around the Santa Clarita area. So still be careful, pay attention to the authorities when they tell you to evacuate. Sometimes you're not given a whole lot of time.
But yesterday's high, by the way, was 76 degrees, and I had 1.32 inches of rainfall here in the Bemis area yesterday afternoon. Now, local radar shows nothing. Clear skies and no precipitation in the area this morning, none expected again until Tuesday.
Lots of folks across the nation's midsection now in for some cooler temperatures on the backside of our winter storm Aubrey. Take a look at some of these numbers too, right? And what a contrast that we have from ahead of the front to behind the front. So Houston, you're in the mid-70s right now, and that's going to be the high temperature at most in some places today. It's only 48 in Dallas, 40 in Oklahoma City, Wichita. Look at that. Look at those chilly temperatures as that cold front continues to advance off towards the east. In its wake, temperatures got cold, so cold last night and early this morning that freeze warnings and frost advisories have been issued. So frosty on the pumpkins. We got some mums out there. Hopefully you brought those in last night to help protect them, because any sensitive vegetation in the pink area can very well be killing freeze in some of these spots. So there's a look at the numbers right now. 39 in Chicago, still 55 in Atlanta, but that colder air is going to work its way in here. A lot of these spots are anywhere between 20 and 30 degrees colder than you were just 24 hours ago. So this is a really dramatic cool down for a lot of folks. Here's a look at the highs today. 63 in Nashville, 61 in St. Louis. Perfect fall day for you. Places like Little Rock with 63 degrees. Dallas, you'll only make it up to 66 in New Orleans. And we mentioned into the middle 70s for today. Take a look at what we're expecting now over the next couple of days. Average high point in Chicago is 64 degrees. Temperatures today, tomorrow, Monday, staying in the 50s. We'll get close to average as we head into Tuesday, but then another cold front comes through. We're talking 40s as we head into your Wednesday. So feeling cooler even than fall in some of these spots. In Dallas, we were in the 90s on Thursday. Yesterday, we made it into the 60s. We'll warm back into the 70s, a little bit more moderate here as we head into next week. But some real winter whiplash, as we like to call it, Kelly.
Now there's the cold and there's the snow. In fact, snow, the 12th man on the field as these high school football teams squared off. Friday night lights were met with a dusting of snow at some of these games last night. You're looking at the game in Minnesota. Not much on the field there, but at times reducing visibility, that can make it a little tricky out there. Maybe the pigskin a little slippery too.
Absolutely. Imagine how cold your hands would be, right?
Yeah,
most of them don't wear gloves. Exactly. In fact, this game, so I was reading up on this game, Gophers taking on the Huskers later on, which is kind of a big rivalry game.
Yeah.
By the way, there could be some snowflakes. Apparently, they've been practicing by putting their hands in ice cold water and then frozen footballs too.
Now, what about the
Alrighty, I thought I'd let you take another peek at the 7-day forecast at a glance. Hello, I'm William Brantley, YouTube, reporting from Bemis, Tennessee, sharing with you part of my video live I do on Facebook, and trying to sort of turn it into a live here on YouTube. But even though it's not directly live, oh well. Yesterday's low temperature here in Bemis was 48 degrees, and that occurred at 11:59 last night. Yesterday's high was 76 degrees around 1 p.m. when the showers and thunderstorms started moving through, and I winded up with 1.32 inches of rainfall out of those storms. And again, they fell from about 2 through 4 p.m. here in the Bemis area. And the total for the month now is at 3.17 inches for October and 52.50 for the year so far. Yesterday's coolest temperature in West Tennessee was 47 degrees. That also occurred at 11:59 p.m. here at the Jackson, Tennessee airport. And highest was 81 degrees yesterday, and that occurred at Savannah, Tennessee. No records were broken yesterday, and none's expected to be broken today. For October the 12th, the hottest high would be 70, not quite that cool, not yet. 92 degrees in 1975. The coolest high would be 52 in 2006. While the warmest low would be 69 in 1969. Interesting numbers there. And the coldest low would be 34 in 1977. Rainfall record for the 12th, 2.78 in 1994. Technically, it's going to go down to 0 for today, since there's no chance for rain today. Speaking of that, let me, I should have left that up. That's okay. I can bring it back up real quick. Today's should be mostly clear today, Sunday and Monday, with a low temperature near a high temperature weather of 62 degrees today. Low Sunday morning near 35, high of 69. You kind of got a little sneak peek at it just a little bit earlier. Winds are going to be out of the north about 5 to 15 miles per hour today. 35 for a low and high of 69 tomorrow, with southwest winds at 5 to 10 miles per hour. Monday, mostly clear. Low near 40, high near 74, with south winds of 5 to 10 miles per hour. And on Tuesday, there's going to be a 50% chance of some scattered showers. Low of 53, high of 71, with south winds of 5 to 15 miles per hour. And it will become mostly fair again by next Wednesday, with a low of 50 and a high of 62, with northwest winds at about 5 to 10 miles per hour. Alrighty, that's the next few days for you. Hope everybody has a very pleasant Saturday and Sunday this weekend, and try to stay warm and protect those outdoor sensitive plants, and try to enjoy the fair weather for this weekend. Alrighty, thank you for watching and viewing and subscribing and checking in, leaving some nice comments, and I hope to talk to you again tomorrow. God bless you from Bemis, Tennessee.